Senyor, nandiyan ka.
Hi, Kuya Bells. Kuya, meron ako isang request sa Yembang.
Ano yun?
Bet kong syuruan mo si Watashi na mag-sing-galore ng Justin Bieber, yung Baby Baby.
Sige. Pero, sige, ako kakanta ng simula, tas sigaw chorus. Alam mo yun, ha?
Sige pa, Kuya. No sing ka po yan, no slide ka po yan.
Sige. Game.
Dadancing si Watashi, go.
Sayo ka, ha? Okay.
Pa.
I know you love me. I know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. You are my heart. You are my love. And we will never, ever, ever be apart. And we an item. Don't keep playing. We're just friends. What are you saying? As in another one. Di ko alam.
And I was like, baby, baby, Becky Mon. Baby, baby, Becky Mon. Magang-maga, ang galing-galing. Ikaw, tingin, sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, go.
Baby, baby, Becky Mon.
Baby, baby, Becky Mon. Bonggang-bongga. Thank you, Kuya Bells. Salamat po.
Junior,
Ano po yan?
pareho ba kayo ng drugs ni Muda?
Bakit po?
Pareho kayong addict eh.
Katulad